Hey there, it's Des with T-Mobile. Do you want to know how easy it is to switch to the Un-carrier while keeping your phone and your phone number? Well, you're in luck, because in this video, we're going to show you how to bring your own device to T-Mobile. We will show you how to check if your current cell phone is unlocked and compatible, activate a T-Mobile SIM card and pick a plan, and how to successfully request your existing phone number to be moved over, and then, bam, you're all set and ready to rock your phone on T-Mobile's nationwide network. First things first, let's make sure you can use your current smartphone on our network. Is your cell phone unlocked? Maybe you're not sure. That's okay. Just reach out to your current carrier to find out. In case you didn't know, unlocked means your cell phone is not restricted to only one specific carrier. Finding out this information is the first thing you need to do. Next, let's head over to our Bring Your Phone to T-Mobile website. You're going to input your IMEI in the Check Compatibility with your phone's IMEI section. To find your IMEI, you'll simply dial *#06# on your dial pad, or you can look it up in settings. It's typically located in the About section of your phone. Most smartphones are compatible, but we just need to double check so you can run on our nationwide network. Now, it's time to buy a SIM card. You can do this at any T-Mobile location or even right here on our T-Mobile website. There's a chat link if you have questions or want to talk to a mobile expert. Simply click Buy a SIM card under Step 3. Type in your current phone number under Want to keep your phone number? The carrier you are switching from should pop up in green. If that looks correct, select Keep this number. Next, you're going to select Add to Cart, and then select which cell phone service plan is best for you. You'll then be prompted to fill out some personal information, and when you're all done, submit your order. Once you have your active T-Mobile SIM card, insert it into your phone. If you're unsure how to do this, check out this video right here. Now we're almost done with the switch. Next, let's request your phone number from your original carrier to be transferred over to T-Mobile. In addition to your phone number, you're going to need your account number from your previous carrier. This can be located on your bill or on your account information online, or you can just call your previous carrier to find out. You'll need your account PIN or passcode, primary account holder's full name and zip code, and some carriers require a poured-out PIN or a one-time PIN. Now, this is a unique process per carrier, so contacting them to retrieve it or checking for it through your account online is a best practice. Now that we're all done getting all of the necessary information, you can visit your local T-Mobile store, or you can call the Number Transfer Center at the number listed on the screen. Super easy, right? Bring your own device to T-Mobile. You can easily check compatibility, buy a T-Mobile SIM card, keep your phone number, contacts, and more, and start rocking T-Mobile's nationwide network. You can get more information on how to switch to T-Mobile and how to bring your own device to T-Mobile at your favorite T-Mobile store or online at tmobile.com. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for another great video coming up next.